Planning a road trip in 2024? Wondering what essential items you can't leave home without? There's something truly magical about hitting the open road, the wind in your hair, the freedom to explore. But as exhilarating as a road trip can be, it's also a journey that requires careful planning and preparation. Whether you're a seasoned road tripper or embarking on your maiden voyage, one thing remains constant: the need for essential items to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. In our world of increasing technological advancements, it's easy to overlook the basics. But fear not, we're here to guide you through the must-haves for any road trip. Throughout this video, we'll be discussing 7 essential items that you should never leave home without when planning a road trip. From navigation systems to emergency kits, and from healthy snacks to spare tires, we've got you covered. So, buckle up and get ready to note down the 7 essential items you can't leave home without on your road trip in 2024. First on the list is a reliable navigation system. Now, why is this so important? Well, in the age of digital exploration, a good navigation system is your best travel buddy. It's like having a personal guide who knows all the routes, shortcuts, and scenic detours. But it's not just about finding your way. A quality navigation system also keeps you updated about the nearest gas stations, restaurants, hotels, and even hospitals. It's like having your own mini directory of facilities around you. And then there's the weather. Whether you're driving through the sunny coasts of California or the snowy peaks of Colorado, a navigation system can provide real-time weather updates. This feature is essential for planning your routes and ensuring a safe journey. Let's not forget about offline maps. They are your saviors in areas with poor network coverage. Just download the maps before you start your trip and you're good to go. Remember, a good navigation system can make your journey smooth and hassle-free. Second on our list is the emergency kit. An essential item for any road trip, this kit is your lifeline when unexpected situations arise. Picture this: you're cruising down a highway, miles away from the nearest town, and a fellow traveler gets a nasty cut. Without an emergency kit, this minor injury could turn into a major issue. This is where your emergency kit comes in. A well-stocked kit should include first aid supplies, ready to tackle anything from minor cuts to sprains. A flashlight is also indispensable, especially when you need to navigate through a dark, unfamiliar area. But it doesn't stop there. A multi-tool is an unsung hero, capable of tackling simple car repairs, opening cans, or even cutting ropes. And don't forget spare batteries. These little lifesavers will keep your flashlight and other electronic devices powered up when you need them the most. An emergency kit is your best friend in times of need. So next time you set off on a road trip, make sure it's within arm's reach. Third and fourth on our list are healthy snacks and water. Now, when you're out on the road, the fuel for your car isn't the only thing you need to worry about. Your body needs its own kind of fuel, and that comes in the form of food and hydration. Having a stash of healthy snacks within reach can make a world of difference in maintaining your energy levels. Think nuts, fruits, and granola bars. They're not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep you going. And let's not forget about water. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially during those long, hot drives. It's not just about quenching your thirst. Hydration helps keep your body functioning optimally and your mind focused. Plus, having your own water and snacks can save you time and money on pit stops. Remember, staying hydrated and well-fed keeps you energetic and focused on the road. Fifth and sixth on our list are comfort items and entertainment. Now, we all know road trips can be long and strenuous, so it's crucial to ensure we're as comfortable as possible. Pack your favorite pillows and blankets, and don't forget your most comfortable clothes. Remember, this is not a fashion show, it's about comfort. But comfort isn't the only thing to consider when preparing for a road trip. You also need to think about how you'll keep yourself entertained. Long stretches of road can become monotonous, so bring along some good books, download your favorite podcasts, and make a playlist of your favorite tunes. If you're traveling with others, consider bringing along some travel-friendly games. These items might seem trivial, but trust me, they can make a world of difference. Imagine being stuck in traffic with nothing to do or sitting in an uncomfortable position for hours on end. Doesn't sound fun, does it? Remember, comfort and entertainment can make a long journey feel like a breeze. Last but not least, the 7th item on our list is a spare tire and jack. These two are as essential as your car keys when hitting the road. You never know when you might encounter a flat tire, and trust me, it's no fun being stranded, especially when you're miles away from the nearest service station. A spare tire is your immediate solution to a flat tire mishap. It ensures you can continue your journey without waiting for roadside assistance, which might take a while, particularly if you're out exploring off-the-beaten-track destinations. Now, a spare tire alone won't cut it. That's where the jack comes into play. This handy tool lifts your vehicle, enabling you to swap the punctured tire for the spare one. It's a simple mechanism, but it can be a lifesaver when you're in a pinch. So always make sure your vehicle is equipped with a functional spare tire and a sturdy jack before you set off on your road trip. Remember, a spare tire and jack are your saviors when you are stuck in the middle of nowhere. So, those were the 7 essential items for your road trip in 2024. Let's take a moment to recap. We started with the navigation system, your trusted guide to unknown terrains, ensuring you never lose your way. Then we moved on to the emergency kit, your lifeline during any unforeseen circumstances. Next, we highlighted the importance of healthy snacks and water, your fuel to keep the energy levels high throughout your journey. We also discussed comfort items and entertainment, the little luxuries that make your road trip more enjoyable and less tiring. Finally, we touched on the spare tire and jack, the saviors in case of any unexpected hiccups. These items aren't just accessories, but necessities that ensure a smooth and memorable road trip experience. The key to a successful road trip lies in the preparation, and these 7 essentials are a part of that process. With these items in your car, you are ready to hit the road. Safe travels.